Hello friends. So this is our class number 88. Yes. Uses of the simple present. We know the forms, we know the negatives, we know the yes or no question, we saw no WH question, we know how to convert from one tense to the other, and now we are dealing with the uses of the simple present. First we have seen repeated actions. Then we saw general things in general. For example, time and tide, waits for noun, etc. That also we saw. Today we are going to see fixed arrangements. For fixed arrangements, you use the simple present. For example, we say no. We have compulsory games in the evening. So there is a fixed arrangement. Timetable, for example. Timetable. Say we have economics on Sundays, special class. Or we have catechism on Sundays. Or we have got studies on religion on Sundays. So that is a fixed thing. Every Sunday you have it. Understand? So let's see some example, then we will see. Every day we can say normally what happens is an interstate bus. We can say interstate buses. You can say every Wednesday an interstate bus comes here. So there is a fixed arrangement. One is any day you can see, every day, every Wednesday. Okay, you like Wednesday. Wednesday an interstate bus comes here. From where? From Chennai. Yes. From your town to your town. My town, yes. Understand? Or I said we have breakfast in the morning. We can see we have breakfast. Simple present. We have breakfast. In the morning. Nobody takes breakfast in the evening, I think, isn't it? And we can say we have tea in the evening. We have dinner at noon, yes. Understand? Supper at. So these are fixed arrangements. Timetable, you can say generally. Some kind of timetable it is not fixed. Compulsory games are played in the evenings. You understand? Compulsory games. Compulsory games are played passive. Are played in the evenings. So that is a fixed arrangement. Compulsory games are played in the evenings, isn't it? There is a top speakers. Come here, come to our college on Saturdays. Yes, because otherwise they will take your syllabus time. So top speakers of the town. Top speakers of the town come here on Saturdays. On Saturdays. So on Saturday, top speakers come here and we will have interaction with them. They will tell us how to speak, how to start a speak, how to end a speak, what will be the content of the speak and so on. We have 3 holy masses on Sundays. We have 3 services. Okay. Services on Sundays. We have 3 services on Sundays. That is a fixed affair. Every week we take every week we take weekly tests. There are some schools on weekly tests. So you can say like that. Every week we take weekly tests. Weekly may not be, every week no. So tests. So that is, we have to. That's another way of say that. Or Saturday is a picnic day. We will go out on picnic. Saturday is a picnic day. Picnic day. Isn't it? Saturday is picnic day for us. So we can go out. We are in the hostel, we are tired, and so we can go. Monday classes started late. Yes. 8th, Mondays classes start at, late in the morning. Why late? Because Saturday, Sunday is a holiday, so many people come late, so the school authority thought that we should start the class late. Otherwise, half of the students will be absent. They won't be getting the class. So they thought that, okay, we will do like that. Understand? Monday. Everyone goes to sleep by 8 p.m. In the hostel. 9. In the hostel or boarding, hostel, all go to sleep. By 10 p.m. By 10 p.m. So all people, all the students, they go to sleep by 10. So these are fixed ideas, isn't it? Yeah. Then you will say, the Rajdhani Express starts from Trivandrum to Mumbai. Goes from Trivandrum to Mumbai on Saturdays. So, cooking classes begin early in the morning. So you got such examples are there. Isn't it? Swimming pool, entry to swimming pool is restricted to members only. A fixed, something that is fixed arrangement. Only members can come there. Entry to swimming pool is restricted to members only. Entry to swimming pool. Understand? Weekend programs are arranged on Sundays. That is right. Understand? Day scholars are allowed to stay in the hostel on holidays. So these are all fixed ideas. I think that is very simple for you, no? So we have seen now how are these? Any number of fixed ideas. You can take your timetable and say no. See, in the hostel or in the college and so on, you can say no. Our HOD, means head of the Department of English, comes only on Tuesdays. Other days he is doing research. He has no time for coming to the class. He is doing more interested in research. And you can see all the junior lecturers are to be present at the beginning of the class. Or say in the early morning, because they are young people, so they should come early. That, understand? So these are some fixed things. I can say second week of September we celebrate Labor Week. This is fixed. Every year, second week of September, we celebrate Labor Week. Understand? Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on October 2nd. That is fixed. There is no change in that timetable. Gandhi Jayanti. Or as a Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. That is fixed. It's Christmas. Our festival is in our festival is in January. Every year it is in January, because that is fixed. So you can go around and see so many things fixed like that. We have floods. That is also fixed by nature. We have floods in July. Something fixed by nature. We have floods in July, isn't it? Yeah. Scorching days means very hot days we have in summer. That is fixed. If there is summer, there should be scorching days. Scorching means very hot days. Understand? So these are fixed things. So for anything that is fixed, any timetable or say something that happens every year or every week and so on, this is, then naturally you will ask what is the difference between habitual action. In habitual action there is some willingness. You have to volition, we say volition, V-O-L-I-T-I-O, volition. V-O, say like this now, V-O-L-I-T-I-O, habitual action. Here there is no question of your permission or your will. It is fixed, you have to follow this. There is no other way. Otherwise, naturally you can ask me a question. So, these are all repeated action. Yes, repeated, but you have no say in that. 10 o'clock you have to sleep, you have to sleep. But if you are as a free citizen, if you are outside the hostel or there is no rules for you, on holiday you are at your home, then you get up anytime. See, that's the difference between habitual action and then fixed arrangement. Fixed arrangements are arranged. You can't escape. Now, they are like dictators. You have to. Timetable, for example, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. English. You have to attend. Otherwise, you will lose it. You miss that class. That's all. Either attend or miss it. This is what happens. So, I think it's clear to you, that concept is clear to you, that what is meant by fixed arrangement. Fixed arrangements are not habits, are not repeated action, are not general truths or things in general or eternal truths. No. But they are things fixed for us beyond our control. If you want to live in this world, there are many things fixed for us. You have to undergo all those things. Understand? If you say in this college, every student should do Shirshasana at 5 in the morning, you have to do it. That is fixed. So, Shirshasana time is fixed for 5 a.m. in the morning. 5 a.m. in the morning, you not say 5 a.m. Both together is not required. 5 a.m. in the morning, not necessary. Okay, like that. You have to. Otherwise, you will be sent out of the hostel or the school or such. That way we see. So, we have seen now 3 uses. One, we have seen repeated actions or habitual actions. Second, we saw, what did we see? Second, eternal truths, general facts like how deeds rises to men's eyes. Evil destroys itself. These things we saw yesterday. And now the third use is fixed arrangements. Fixed arrangements. So for example, you start at 5 and come back by 4 evening. Start in the morning and then come back by evening. So start, come. So that's simple present. Simple present is in fact it's a fantastic tense, because without which you cannot live. Every tense is like that. For example, suppose you are doing something now, you have to use present continuous tense. Now, I am standing here. I am holding a pen, so that is now. Otherwise, hope that you are following these concepts and you will be able to frame sentences of your own. Looking around and see sentences, make sentences of your own and get thorough with these concepts and ideas and exercises and whatever I am saying. Tutorials. Hope you are enjoying. Bye. See you again.